anti-China chorus is viewers growing louder at a global level now. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has now backed the Quad cooperation, an alliance of the four countries against China. Abe has now said that a counter-China alliance of India, Japan, Australia and the United States of America in terms of defense and security cooperation is the need of the hour. My colleague Niranjan also joining us over the phone line with more details on this. So Niranjan, we are seeing that the anti-China chorus is now growing louder at the global level. This time the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has backed this cooperation.
Yes, this was something that has been in the works. In fact, India has been, closely in touch with Japan. And the Japanese Prime Minister has said that he completely shares the recognition of the current state of the region, including the East China Sea, the South China Sea, and the Pacific Island region. Now, there's a reason why he's saying that, because China has also been, trying to intrude into Japanese waters. Recently, Chinese vessels entered the Senkaku Islands, and in what was one of the largest, longest rather, intrusions in recent times, in about 8 years. So they stayed in Japanese territorial waters for about 8 years, and Japan took that very, very seriously. And the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has added that under the common objective of aiming for a free and open Indo-Pacific, they have agreed to expand cooperation, including in the areas of defense and security, not just between Japan and Australia, but also in, for example, Japan, Australia, US, and Japan, Australia, US, India framework. So Japan is basically hinting at the Quad, what you call the quadrilateral cooperation between four countries, in this case, Japan, Australia, which has been facing off with China, questioning China, making it answerable for COVID-19. US, which has been involved in a diplomatic and a military standoff with China in the South China Sea. And also India, with what's been happening in Ladakh. Japan saying that there needs to be a deeper, not just a defense cooperation, but also a larger framework for security between the four countries, which is already in the works. So the Quad alliance has been discussed more than ever now in the times that we are living in, given China's expansionist tendencies in not just the line of actual control, but also in the South China Sea. So, if you look at the kind of transgressions China has been making in the South China Sea, with the Paracel Islands, with the Shoal Borough, with the Scarborough Shoal, and several other regions in South China Sea, facing off with Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia, smaller nations, trying to arm twist them. So, in that context, Japan asking for a larger cooperation and framework, and I think this is going to be something that we will have to watch out for, because China, is trying to, arm twist India with its own cooperation with smaller countries. And when I say smaller countries, I'm referring to Nepal. What's happening with KP Oli, Chinese ambassadors trying to get Oli in their corner, and with Pakistan trying to pressurize Pakistan into playing diplomatic games with India, vis-a-vis what's happened with Kulbhushan Jadhav recently. And these kind of tricks are being called out by world powers, and I think that's why the biggest countries in the world, the superpowers that include, America, Japan, India, and Australia, looking for a larger Quad alliance to counter China's influence in the region.
All right, thank you so much, Niranjan, for getting us that perspective and that update. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this.